How to like games on Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can like game on Roblox. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the preferred web browser and simply go to the official website of Roblox. And make sure that you're logged in with your account. And once you are inside the official website of Roblox, click on any games that you like. You can also use the search bar at the top and search for the specific games. But before you can like the game, you will need to play it first. So click on the play button, which will download and install the Roblox player if you haven't done so already. And once the Roblox player is installed, launch the game and enjoy playing. And after playing, return to the games page and click on like button on the right side. You can also mark it as a favorite by clicking on the star icon. And that's it. That's how you can like a game on Roblox in just few simple steps. So with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.